Okay, this is going to be just a short video. Let's get to it. I cut open the box already, so I'll just drag this out. What on earth? It's actually from my hometown, Hong Kong. So, oh boy. What type box? Oh, I didn't expect it to be this huge. Nightingale, super deformed, and it's based from a resin kit. So let's unbox it. Okay, good thing it's not all taped up. I have to really get physical with this. This is like a master grade box, sized box. Okay. The guy didn't joke about the big packaging. That's for sure. Nice menu. Well, it's in Chinese. That is good. Pretty darn simple instruction. And and I did order along a couple of option parts. So I have this metal decal. Oh, it's actually this piece. This will be useful for fence. It's a metal mesh. And water decal. There's actually a lot of stuff. Oh, I have this what do you call this? Laser effect stickers, 3 of them. And I think that should be it. Bunch of thruster parts, fin funnels for the actual Nightingale. Oh, that's a lot. Nice. And this should be 3mm pipes free. Haha. And this is extra thruster set. Looks like 4 of them. I have to figure out how to use them. But it should fit tightly for any mobile suit needs. As for the kit, is really big. I don't know. Should I get started on this? Oh, maybe later. Yep. Any rate, it's been 4 minutes for unboxing video. Okay. Any rate, this is it. See you guys. Actually, yesterday I hit my first 50 subscribers milestone. Kind of exciting. I'm kind of excited too. Thank you guys for subscribing and staying tuned to my channel. and I'll be bringing in more content and nicer content. And since I'm really into modeling and as a die cast collector, so tell me what you think about my content and what you like or dislike. Doesn't matter. You can just say it out loud, comment below, and have a nice day.